Hi, good morning, welcome to my channel. Today we're going to be shave testing a really nice Collins straight razor. A Collins De-Luxe. Oh, just lather up. Just out of interest, I always use hot towels or hot flannel before applying the soap. Really makes a difference to your shave. So here we have a Collins De-Luxe from Sheffield, England, and the original case. You can see the logo design there, embossed on the scales. The blade's in quite a bright condition after restoring it. The pivot is reasonably firm. You can see it just moving a little bit there. Nice round point. It's had quite a lot of bad marks on it, which are polished out. There's still some little bits of niggly pitting, which I don't really want to grind out. It's part of the razor's patina, shall we say. You could grind it out, but it's taking just too much metal away, and it doesn't really affect the performance of the blade. Predictably very comfortable, and what I'm shaving off here is about a week's growth. One thing I did notice when I was refreshing this blade and honing it is the just how thin the steel, getting towards the end, the edge of the blade. It is really wafer thin. I mean, next step up from tin foil. So it's really smooth. A very smooth and forgiving razor. And when I'm shaving with it now, a 6-day growth is not offering any resistance whatsoever. So I think what's happened with this blade is that somebody's bought it brand new, or been bought as a present to somebody. They've tried it a couple of times and probably inexperienced and thought better of it, and then just put it down. But when they did put it down, it must have been just slightly damp, and this has caused the slight markings on the blade. They're only slight. Adds a bit of character, I guess. Certainly a good blade. As you can see, just completely destroying the beard. I've recently been going to the cinema down at the port of Corper. There's been some good films on recently. One of them was The Darkest Hour. A film about Winston Churchill's influence on the World War II. Winston Churchill organised the rescue of Dunkirk, where 400,000 English and French servicemen were stranded. The Navy couldn't pick them up because the tide was too low. And they were stranded on the beach at Dunkirk. And German aircraft were picking them off bit by bit, and the Spitfires were battling against the German planes. Great film. Anyway, on one scene, King George or Bertie, as he was affectionately known to his friends, was having a chat with Winston Churchill over breakfast. And Bertie says, "Winston, do you mind if I ask you a personal question?" And I said, No, go ahead. And Bertie says to Winston Churchill, "How on earth do you manage to eat bacon, eggs, champagne and brandy for breakfast and smoke a cigar afterwards?" And Winston replied, "Practice, practice." It's a monkey, wasn't he? Eh? Bloody practice. Champagne for breakfast. Anyway, that's that shave test over with. Thanks very much for watching. Now this is a very, very nice Collins De-Luxe straight razor, complete with its original case. Thank you very much for watching and enjoy your champagne breakfast.